Hey chef, how you doing? Today we're gonna spatchcock a chicken, traditionally known as butterfly. It's pretty simple. You can do it with kitchen shears, but normally you're gonna have a knife of some sort, so today we're gonna do it with a knife. Now, looking at the chicken, here it is, breast up, legs, wings, okay? What we're actually gonna do is flip it over. So we have the spine, okay? And you can see it sitting here. Here's like the butt, right here, the medallions, the top of the thigh, and right here is the spine that goes all the way down. And what you want to do with shears or a knife, you want to cut down one side of the spine and then cut down the other side of the spine, and it's going to leave the breastplate intact so you're able to fold the bird open. And we're gonna get to that at the end of this. So the way I like to do it is I actually like to take the bird and sit it up. So that way, wings are out, it's ready to party, and you have the breasts facing away from you, and you have the neck right here, okay? And that way you can use gravity to your advantage and leverage and go all the way down the bird. So we have our knife here, and we're gonna go right here. See, in the cavity, you can work each side of the spine very easily like that. And we're just gonna go all the way down the side, just like this, okay? See, just like that, all the way through. And there's gonna be some pin bones there, and that's okay. We want that. Bones are flavor. And if it's really messy, you can just clean it up afterwards. So we're gonna go right along the next side here, okay? Set it up, you have it. You can grab it by the wing, it's not going anywhere. And just cut right down this side. Okay, grab it, keep going, just like that. Okay, and that's the back. Save that for stock. It's delicious. It could also be dog food. All right, so now you have the bird here, and here's your legs, your thighs, your thigh meat, your legs. You still have some of the bones on the inside, and that's fine. Okay, what you're gonna do is normally people will flip this over and tell you to smash it, and you can totally do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But what I like to do is cut right here, sort of in the top. You see how that just released the top pressure of that and opened it right up? See, it's done. And it's not split. You didn't cut it. You didn't half the chicken. You just kind of gave it some help, and it relaxed, and it opened right up. So now, because it's sitting open like this, and if you want, you can come in here and clean up like this rib that's still on here, still hanging out. See it? It's totally up to you. I'm just doing it for video's sake, okay? But now, come in here and flip it over and tuck all the skin. And that way, you're good to go. And if there's any extra flaps and stuff like this, like, you don't have to keep it around. You can totally clean it up. Do what you gotta do. Okay? Oh, let's get that. There we go. Come on. Just like that. Nope. There it is. Just like that. Nice butterfly chicken. Sitting flat. Legs. Check the spine up the back, and again, when it's like this and it's got extra skin, you can just come right in here, clean that up. Same thing with the other side. You don't want to take too much off. It is delicious and crispy. Oh, look at that little kidney. That's fun. And that's it. That's how you spatchcock, aka butterfly, aka spatchcock a chicken. To take it even further, even though this video isn't about halving chickens, we're pretty much right there. You can literally just take your spatchcock chicken, turn it over again, where it's already released and relaxed and split down the middle. You can just keep going, right? Once you get there, boom, right through the side of the breast. Now, you have half chicken. And I know it looks a little mangled. It's because I'm flipping it and tossing it around. But that's all right. It's still the same bird. See? Still the same meat. You can fix it. You can make it look good again. It's not the end of the world. It's still gonna be delicious, right? See, look at that. 2 halves. And that's it, all right? If you're still watching, please subscribe, like the channel, and check out theproperchefs.com. Thank you very much. Happy cooking.